Hello everyone, thank you for stopping by and watching my video. So today I'm going to make just two bed pillow, and as you can see I have already cut the material, so let's start the job. And here is the result. So take our scissors, we put at the end, at the edge, like this. We got this sharp. And next steps. So this is on my two pillows. So I want to put the fiber inside. Yeah, let's go and collect a fiber. So this is my fiber. I want to remove it so that it can be equal. Let's do it. So we do like that. Yeah. Before you put fiber, you should first do like this. Do you know why? Because it have been placed. And I'm done. Like, I think I'm done. The pillow is, I'm done putting. As you can see, it's full. It's ready to sleep. So let us go and close here so that it's full. It's full. I think it's okay now. It's okay. So as you can see, we are done with our pillow. Almost done, but we want now to close here so that our fiber cannot be fall. Yeah, ready? This is the last step. So you must place here so you can get a space like this. Like this. Make sure they are equal. Then we are close. We are almost. And we are done. As you can see, we are done. We are done with our piece. You should do like this so that your pillow can be in the same line. Fiber, it can arrange itself. You must do like this always. And you can see, straight line. Yani imeshapoa, ishakuwa line, is cool, ready to be used, is ready to be used. And my 2 pillows here. I'm done. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. Thank you.